Welcome to Tutorial Assist. I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Instagram profile. For this, you have to first of all copy your YouTube channel link. Just open YouTube. Then click on your YouTube channel icon. Then click on your channel. Then click on your three dots you see in top right corner. Then click on share. From here you can copy your YouTube channel link. Click on copy link. It says copied. Now let's move to your Instagram profile. Just open your Instagram app. Click on the bottom right corner to open your Instagram profile. Now click on edit profile option. Here you will see a third option called website. Here you will paste the YouTube channel link we have just copied. I will show you by first of all deleting the previous account link. Then click save. Here you can see my YouTube channel has been linked to my Instagram profile. I will show you if the link is opening or not. Here you can see my YouTube channel. It's mean the link is working. If you learned something from this video, hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tutorial Assist. Thank you.